it's Keeping with China. So today we're back with another video, and today we're in another setting. It's because I just closed on a house. Me and my sister, we just closed on a house today, and well, for her mom, but we bought it for her. So this is what I've been talking about, about the whole process that, I'm gonna share with you guys when it's all done and stuff. So this is it. I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick glimpse of the empty house, like literally just closed, so you guys can see, what we have. So right here is the first room. Okay, so the rooms are pretty small, but to be honest, we really don't care, because as long as we all have our own space, because this house will have about 5 rooms. Well, it has 5 rooms. So we just wanted our own space. So, and I feel like, the rooms, when we decorate it and stuff, it'll be cute. So this first room is the first room. This is my sister, my little sister's room. She honestly don't have much stuff, to be honest. It's just her bed and her dresser. So, and this is her closet. Just a very regular size closet, really. All right, so we're gonna move on to the hallway. So this is just the entrance, the front door. All right, so the thing about this house is it's just long. It's you go straight down, everything's right there. But still, it just still looks cute, So, and this house was renovated and stuff, so everything looks a little bit modern and stuff like that. So, which we really like. So let's just watch your step. Okay, so when you come here to your right, this is my room. I chose this room from the get-go. I was like, yo, this is gonna be my room. So my bed's gonna go right here. TV on the side. I'm gonna actually make a video of how I decorate. I know my channel is not about fashion or all that stuff, but I'm gonna still show you guys how my room turned out. This is my closet. I don't like this door, so I think I might either change it to the sliding ones, or just, I don't know. Honestly, I might probably just leave it anyways, but who knows, we'll see. Then follow me to the next room. All right, so this room is gonna be my parents, my mom and my stepdad's room. This is supposed to be the master bedroom. It's still small, to be honest, but I feel like once they arrange the furniture and stuff a certain way, it'll look cute. But the thing that we really like about their room is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a really master bedroom. I mean, master bathroom, I'm sorry. It's very nice and big and spacious. It's spacious. Tell me how is it spacious than the bedroom? But anyways, they have the 2 closets, so I guess her and his closet, so you can come and see. And then they just have a lot of space here. This is their mirror, their sink, really nice. We really like this countertop. Our bathroom is really tiny, and I don't know, but they kind of messed up our bathroom. The sink is small as hell. The counter is not even cute at all. You guys are gonna see exactly what I mean by that. And then their shower and stuff. It's just pretty nice and spacious. So let me close the lights. You guys can follow me to the next room. There's about 2 more rooms. So this one is our stepbrother's room. Honestly, you guys, they don't have anything. They don't have much. I mean, we were just thinking of having 2 little bunk beds, and then their furniture, so a door or something, and then that's about it. They're small, so they honestly don't need that much space. And honestly, I feel like their closet is bigger than mine. Honestly feel like
it is bigger.
It is bigger. So yeah, the closet is bigger. I mean, it makes sense because it is 2 of them. So I mean, I that's that. Let's go to the next room. So over here is my sister's room.
Yes, sir.
I mean, I feel like it's smaller than mine, but she does
small.
have the bigger closet. Her closet is bigger than mine and my sister's. Well, my other little sister's is pretty big. It's about 2, I guess, I don't know. But this is her room. She swear that's gonna be the nicest room in the house, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, so let's go to the so I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the house. Right here, when you come right here, this is just a laundry room. Yeah, I mean, we don't have the appliances yet. I mean, we already have them in our old house. We just have to bring them in. But it's pretty. It's not as small, like, because once you actually have the dryers and stuff in there, you know, there'll still be a little more space. So I think we're gonna like build like a shelf or like like a stand or something to put, you know, supplies and stuff. And then when you walk over here, this is the back door to the backyard. The backyard is like hideous at the moment, so we're not gonna actually go outside. And when you turn right here, this is the water heater, I guess, but the water heater turned out to be small as hell, so we're just like, okay, so we'll just use this room as like a storage, since, you know, we really don't have like a storage room yet, so we're just gonna use this this little closet space as a storage, and probably change the doors because the way it opens is weird. Like it opens inside, which means that, you know, we won't really be able to put stuff in there because, you know, we gotta open it. Yeah, so we're probably gonna need to change this door. And then lastly, our bathroom. Yeah, it's really small. Like, it's really small. But you know, we don't have a mirror yet. I don't know how. I feel like they just ignored our bathroom. Like they kind of just, you know, put all of their money and energy on the master bathroom and said, forget us. But, you know, it's okay. It's pretty, you know, decent size. I mean, the same. We're gonna try and see if we can change the countertop because we just don't like it at all. And then the bathroom, the bathtub, bathtub, and yeah. So that's about it. Well, and then lastly, I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. They all over my face. The kitchen. Okay, first this is the living room. Okay, so this is like a really open space. So this is gonna be like the living room / dining room. So the table's gonna be right here. The couch and all that stuff is gonna be right here. The way that we're gonna decorate it and stuff, like, it's gonna be really cute. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna post I'm gonna post, you know, how the end result, the end of how we decorated it and stuff like that. And then the kitchen, which is like the main thing that we loved about this house, was the kitchen. We're like, yo, this kitchen is so nice. We need it. As you guys can see, I'm not sure what they call these, granite, I don't know, they shine or whatever, man. We just love this kitchen. The appliances just came today. I like the stove, but the thing is, we don't like the fridge. The fridge first of all, it doesn't fit. It's too small. It looks crazy. Like, it just looks like it doesn't belong. So we're gonna try to like return it. I mean, we're gonna try to see if we can return it because we just don't like it. The microwave and the dishwasher is right there. We haven't installed it yet. Yeah, it's just standing there. This is just another door, another side door. And then, yeah, like, this is the kitchen. This is the house, you guys. Like, this process has been the longest, annoying. Like, that shit was just horrible. Like, just such a bad process. But, you know, we're finally here after like 2-3 months, I think it took us. But, you know, we're so happy that, you know, that we can actually, you know, say, oh, we have a house that, you know. So we're very grateful and happy that we got got the chance to buy this house. If you guys want to see my room tour, like how it turned out, or the house tour and stuff, let me know. I'll make another video of that once we complete the decoration and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.